So for the next 15 minutes, I'll show you how to create an online store for your business. And the amazing part is it's totally free, right? So I'll see you inside. So the first thing you're going to do is you go to paystack.com and create an account, right? You just click here and create an account. Remember, what we're creating is a store, like an online store for your product, right? You put your product on it and share the link with people. People could now buy directly and pay you through Paystack, right? And you're going to receive your money. So the first thing you do is you click on create an account. I'm not going to do that now because I have an account on Paystack already. So I'll click on the login option. So when I do that, this is how the dashboard is going to look like when you've created your own account. The next thing you would do is you scroll down to Storefront, this option. When I click on it, this is a random store that I created, right, when I was testing this. So what you're going to do is when you come to this interface, you click on new storefront, right? So if I click on it, it's going to show you this option. You put the name of your business here, right? So for the sake of this tutorial, I have a friend that I have his business details. Like, I'm going to use his business details for these tutorials, like a couple of his business details. And so the name of his store, name of his business is Castor Wares. So the next option will be currency. Since we're in Nigeria, we're going to leave it in Naira, right? It's just in Naira only. So the store link, this is the link you're going to share with people that want to buy from your store, the store you're going to create. So you could customize it, you could change it to something else here. If I just click here, I could change it to maybe Castor Fashion, right? For instance, or I could leave it as Castor Wares. You could put any customized name here, or you leave it with your business name. It really doesn't matter. Then I'll click on create, right? So now I've created it, and I'll click on new product. This is a product I added with the first one I was creating, the one I was using to test this, right? So you ignore this. When you open this, you're not going to see any product here, right? So it's going to be empty. Let me just delete. Let me see if I can delete this product. Okay, let's ignore it. I'll click on new product. When I do that, now I'll have to go and copy the name of the product from my friend's business. Like I told you, I have the details of his business here. So let's say the name of one of his products is this. Copy it, come here, paste it, right? The description, you could put the description of that particular product here, right? So let me go back and copy the description, get back here, paste it, right? Then for the price, I think his price is 15,000. So come here, put 15,000. The quantity, if the quantity is unlimited, like you always have it in stock, you could leave this option. If it's limited, maybe you have 10 or whatever, you come here and select limited like this, right? Then put the quantity that is available. Let's just say my friend has 10 of these t-shirts available, so I could use limited and put the amount that is available here, right? So here's what is beneath. This product contains one or more physical goods. Yes, this is a physical product, so I'm going to select this option and I'll click on next. Now this is time to upload the images, the product images, right? So I have a couple of his images available. So if I click here, I would scroll down and select the images. Let's say I select this, I select that one, and you could add more than one image. So I could let's say I want to add 3 images, right? I could select this and select one more image. Now this depends on the product you're selling, right? So if all of the products fall under that category, as you can see, I selected this product for him, which is cultured steez t-shirts. So the ones I selected, let's assume that it falls under the 3 I selected falls under this product type, right? So that's how you're going to do yours. And now I've selected these 3. You could select more than this. You could select up to 6, as you can see here. That's what it says here, right? So I will click on save. Now this is time for customization, right? So these are the customization options. Customize storefront, discount code if you want to put a discount. This is the delivery details. This is after purchase. I'm going to touch all of them one by one. So if you want to customize the store that we've created, I'll click on customize storefront. So here is where we're going to customize it. When you come here, if you want to change the color to your brand color, come here, click on change color and select your brand color. Let's say your brand color is black and white, right? I could come click this plus button and select it this way, right? As you can see, it has reflected as black and white. So now this is for the color. Then if I scroll down, here is the welcome message. So for the welcome message is what will appear after the name of the business, right? So if I come here, I could add, let me get, let's say I want to use this as a welcome message. So if I click on save, now it has reflected here about the business. So this is the summary of what the business does. So let me copy that and get back here. Right, so if you scroll down, this is for social media links. So if you want to add your social media links, you could come to edit and let's say I want to add Instagram. Let me get an Instagram link. So you're just going to copy your social media link like I did. You remove this and paste the link, right? This is for Facebook. So this is Instagram, Facebook. You could add any other one you want to add. This is Twitter, right? So if I click on save, it's going to have those things saved. Then the next thing is discount code. So if I click on discount code, if you want to add a discount to your product, right, you could use this feature. So if I want to add a discount, let's say my discount code is Castor maybe the discount is a fixed amount, right? Let's see percentage. So the percentage, maybe the discount percentage is say 25%. Here you could select the validity, the minimum amount, the set max and use per customer. You know about your business better, right? So you could set any of these things, right? So let me just pick set minimum amount, right? So let's 10,000, right? So if I click on create, this is a discount code that you're going to share with people. So anybody that has this discount code, which is Castor, in this case, in your own case, you could come up with any word. You could use your business name. That is left for you to decide. So when you copy this discount code, this is what you're going to share with the people you want to give a discount for your product, right? So let me close here. I'll go back to okay. So we're done with the discount. So I'll come to delivery. So now for delivery, you have to scroll down and come to add delivery fee to this option, and then you have to, maybe you want to select specific locations, right, and based on where you deliver to and the fee. So let's say if I click on delivery fee, here's the option location. You have to fill this delivery option. If you don't fill it, your store is not going to be live, this store you're creating. So this is very important. So let's say Lagos, right? Let's say if I'm sending to Lagos, my delivery fee is 5,000, for instance. I'll click on save. You could save different states if you want to. You could save one state, 5 states. It depends on where you deliver to. So the next one, I would say Uyo, for instance. And let's say the delivery fee is 3,000. That I used to deliver my products to Uyo. Then I could click on save, right? So I could fill all of this with the different locations I deliver to and their prices, so that when someone wants to make a purchase or they've made a purchase, they are going to see the price that I'll use to deliver the product to their location. Now, this is for delivery. The last option here is after purchase, right? So if you want okay, let me click on edit so you'd understand what I'm talking about. If there is a link you want this transaction to take people to after they've made a payment. Let's say you have a website, or you want them to come to your WhatsApp DM or anything, right? You could come here and add the link to either your website or your social media page, anything you want to add there. Immediately they make a purchase, you could add the link here. Then for the success message, you could add something like thanks for your purchase, right? You could add this, you could add something else like follow us on social media platforms or whatever. You could add it here and you click on save, right? So you could go back and review everything you have saved. When you have orders, this is where your orders are going to appear like this. You're going to get email notifications too that someone has paid for your product and the order is pending, right? Then for the product, I'm just going back from the beginning again. For for the product, this is where you could add your product. Remember, we've added one product. You could come here and add another product, just like we added this one, right? So you come to customize storefront, which we already did. So you could come here and edit anything you have done, like we did before. And then for discount code, we've already had a discount code. You don't need to do it if you don't have a discount. Delivery, we've already filled this. After purchase, we filled this. So the next thing for you to do is to click on preview so that you could see how the store looks like, what the store looks like. So if I click on preview, I'll see the store. So this is what our store looks like, right? So if you send this link, send the link of your store to someone, this is what they would see. If you've added other products will display here, right? Remember, we added our Instagram and Facebook handles, so this is where it appeared. And now if I click on this product, let's say I'm a customer and I want to buy this t-shirt. So if I click on it, this is what it looks like, right? They can scroll and see all of the products that fall under this category, right? So this Speedlane Exit, this is the name of my business. So this is your business name is going to appear here, the name you used when you were creating your Paystack account, right? So this is the description like this. Then the person could select the quantity they want, and this is your price. Then if you click add to bag, this is where they want to order or contact seller. If you click here, they are going to contact you directly. So if you click here and then click on checkout, that means, as you can see, I selected 2. So if I wanted to buy 2 pieces of this t-shirt, that's calculated 30,000. So if I click on checkout, it's going to ask me to make a payment, but I will not do that because I'm not buying this t-shirt. Okay, so that is it for the preview. So if you've checked the preview and you're satisfied with what you're seeing, right? If you're satisfied with what you're seeing, then you click on this copy link. If you click on copy link, you've copied the link of the store. So let's open the store in another browser. Let me find another browser and open the store. Okay, let me just open it in a new tab. So if I click here and paste the link, so this is a link, paystack.shop/castorwears, right? So this is a link you are going to share with your customers. Maybe you could put it on your social media and pages, anywhere on WhatsApp, anywhere you could share this link so that people could buy directly and you get your payment. So this is basically how to create a simple store on Paystack for free, and you could add as much unlimited products as much as you can add. You could add it here, right? You don't have to pay a dime. So I'll see you at the top. Thank you.